Hey guys, today I'm gonna be making a video of all of the door closers are installed at my parents' house. So start off in the living room. We have these screen door closers right there, the regular one and the hold open one. This was the replacement screen door closer that was originally here. And then we'll give you a demonstration. Alright, then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, and then on this add-on back porch here, we have another screen door closer. I do not know what closer this is, but it looks older. So we'll go ahead and give it a demonstration. It doesn't quite open all the way because it has a wind chain on it. So go ahead and let that go. It doesn't quite close all the way because that's messed up. This whole screen door's messed up, so that's why it's not closing right. Go ahead, give you one more demonstration. Alright, and then we'll move on upstairs. Alright, and last but not least, we have this non-valve adjustable screen door closer. Now, the one that I showed you on the back porch, storm door, there used to be another storm door closer just like the one downstairs, but here. But I guess somewhere around that time they took it off or something went bad on it, and then ever since then there was no closer here. And I think last year or 2 years ago I bought this closer. I have a video of it, and it was in my collection and I just decided to put it up here. So I'll go ahead and give you a demonstration of it. And this one's a hydraulic one. Go ahead and give you a demonstration one more time. It hasn't been used for a while, that's why it's kind of sluggish. But once it gets used again, it'll go. Alright, well, there you have it. That's all the storm door closers that are installed in my parents' house. Thank you guys for watching.